So right here in this video, I'll be showing you how you can create a USC bank account that can send and receive money. I make a video how you can create a fully verified business paper account that is unbandable, which you can send and receive money from Nigeria or from any country that paper is not working. And that video got some views, and they were requesting for me to make this video on how you can create a USA bank account that you can link with PayPal so that you can use to withdraw your funds directly into your local bank account. That's why I'm making this video. Apart from linking it to PayPal, you can use this as an American bank account. You can use to do any transaction online. If you're from this channel or you make money from the internet, you know you need this bank account so that you can withdraw your money into your local bank account. Okay, if you do small gigs, you work with Spark Gig, you work with Fiverr, Upwork, you need an American bank account so that you can withdraw your funds to your local bank account. And I came here with a perfect platform that works best for that. So that's why you have to subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. And if you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Evans and I share in this channel tricks and ways to make easy money online. And apart from that, I show you where you can increase your productivity online and how you can make more money using the internet. So if you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go down there, hit on the subscribe button and turn all bell notifications so that anytime I drop video like this, YouTube will holler you, say how far Evans don't drop video, me you go watch am. So you'll be the first to watch it and you'll be the first to benefit from that value. So with that said, give this video a like, thanks in advance, and I'm going to take you to my screen right now showing you how you can create an American bank account in Nigeria in a very simple, easy step. To not further miss out in any part in this video, do not skip any part, go through it step by step, and after going through this video, you are going to be having an American bank account waiting for you. So guys, right here I'll be showing you how you can create a free US dollar bank account in Nigeria for free. Okay, if you're also non-US resident, is going to work for you. All right, this has been my most requested video. All right, right now from the past video I made about how you can create a PayPal account. All right, I have more people talking about I should create a video on how you can create a USA bank account of which you can link to your PayPal account where you can withdraw your funds. Okay, because everyone in the US bank account. Okay, because most of our jobs are done online and most of our transaction is done online, and most of these gigs and most of these transactions come from the US. All right, so if you are an Amazon KDP publisher, you are a freelancer, you are a business owner, internet marketer, you need a dollar MasterCard, you need a dollar bank account. Okay, you need a US bank account. Is very important. And the platform you are going to be using is called Grade.co. All right, this is going to be a full walkthrough video on how you can create and verify your Gray account. Okay, as you can see right here, Gray.co. Now Gray is more like of a Pioneer account. Okay, if you know Pioneer accounts, you know what I'm talking about. Gray.co is more like a Pioneer account and a GigPay account, but this is more friendly. Okay, the rate is friendly. Their dollar rate is friendly like that of GigPay. All right, and GigPay is another platform where you can create a free USA bank account. All right, in Nigeria. Okay, you can find that video in the description below, or you can find it in the end of the video or in the card. Okay, you can also watch that. You can also make use of the both platform. Me, I personally use GigPay. I also use Gray. So any of it is very best for you. So which one that suits your discretion or which one you love most, you can start using it. Okay, so let's move right into the video. So as you can see, banking service for digital nomads. Okay, open a US and a UK and a European bank account for free to receive and make foreign payments or convert currency all in one place. Okay, this is how you can create a USA bank account for free without paying any money. All right, you can use this platform. As you can see, free USSD, GBP, and Euro account for all your transaction online. All right, so you get paid by foreign employers and clients, instant currency exchange. Now here's how you can open a free foreign bank account. Okay, now number one, register in minutes, complete your KYC verification, and get your visual account. We are going to be going through everything right here in this video. I'm going to be walking you through everything, and you should follow this video step by step so that you will not miss a step. Because if you miss any part, if you forward any part, you might miss out on an important information that might be very valuable to you. If you come over to this very place right here, you are going to see this platform, which is Gray.co, support Nigeria, Kenya, and Tanzania for now. Okay, if you're from other country, you make use of GigPay. I will link the if you're from another country like Ghana or Cameroon and your country is not supported here, you can make use of GigPay. All right, I'll link the link of GigPay in the description. Go and check it out and make use of it and use that for use. So what you're going to do right now is to come to get started for free. Okay, once you click here, it's going to take us to a new page where we are going to create our account. So the first thing it's going to ask you is you have to create your account. Okay, create your foreign bank account without the hustle of paperwork. Okay, very simple. All right, this is an example of a US bank account, the one you just saw right now. Now, the first thing to do is to put your details. Now, your first name, your middle name, your last name, email address, and your phone number, password. Then your referral code is optional. Then you click on agree. Then this create account will be alerted. Then you click on create account. So I'm going to do this in a jiffy. So the next thing, you are going to send you a Gmail verification. So you are going to head to our Gmail right now. So I'm going to come over to my Gmail address, and yeah, so I'm going to come here and copy the OTP. I'm going to copy it right. Then I'm going to come over and paste it here to verify it. Verify account is going to be loading up, and I'm going to email verify successfully. All right, the next phase is to finish our setup. They are going to ask you for your date of birth, your gender, your occupation, your country, your state of residence, your zip code, your city, and your home address. Okay, and also you are going to upload a recent utility bill. Okay, a utility bill can be a form of your NEPA bill or your meter bill or your DSTV bill or your GoTV bill. So whatever bill you have, you can upload it. As you can see, upload a recent utility bill, PDF, PNG, or JPEG. All right. The reason for this is because they want to validate your address. So I'm going to go ahead and upload a utility bill. I'm going to upload a NEPA bill. I'm going to upload a NEPA bill. So once you have uploaded your utility bill, all right, so you are going to fill in this very form. It said, what will you use Gray for? So we are going to click on this very one. Okay, this freelancer. You can choose anyone that fits your criteria. If it's for sending money to family and friend abroad, to make payment, international payment for service, convert my foreign currency, anyone you wish, you can use that. So what I'm using is this very one right here. This receive payment from my international clients. Just fill anyone. Then you click on continue. Then it's going to load up. Now we are going to move to the last step right now. The last step is to complete your document verification. All right, as you can see, the last step will require you to upload a live copy of your government issued ID. This may include international passport, national ID, or driver's license. Now, if you have a voter's card, which is your PVC, or you have an international passport, you can use any of it. You have to read these instructions. It's very important. Okay, just come ahead and click on continue. They are going to take you to the last step, of which you are going to upload these things. So once we come here, they are going to be needing one of these things. All right, either your passport, either you upload your photo of your passport, or you record a short selfie. So any of it is good for you. Okay, you can record a short selfie, or you can upload a document providing your identity. Why are they doing this? They are doing this to verify that you are human, you are not a robot. All right, so that they can know that they are giving this account to a human being, not a robot. So that's very important. So any of it you want to use is very best for you. You can record a selfie, or you can use your ID card. So guys, I'm going to be completing the verification through my phone. All right, okay guys, I'll be showing you how you can finish your last setup through the mobile version. Okay, the reason I'm using the mobile version is because I will want to snap my ID card and my voter's card to verify my identification, so I can use my system to snap it. So that's the reason I'm using the mobile version. Okay, as you can see, we already have an account ready. Our account is ready, deadly ready. All right, ready to go. So we already finished our account creation, our identification verification. We've done that. Last thing remaining right here is our document verification. Okay, as you can see, our account is ready for us. All right, as you can see, this is our American account. We have $0 as our US bank account. We have £0 as our British bank account. We have €0 as our Euro account, and we have €0 in our Nigeria account. Okay, now this is just a dashboard, the mobile view dashboard. If you want to create your US card, which is your US ATM card you are going to be using, virtual card you are going to be using to do transaction, you can just come over to this very place to create your US virtual card. So once you are done with your identification, which is your voter's card or your ID card, you can come over here and create your international virtual card you can use to perform transaction anywhere in the world. So next up is our account. Now as you can see, this is our USA, which is our American bank account. Now, if you click on this very bank account, it's going to take us to a page. It's going to take us here. As you can see, we have $0 in our bank. Okay, so as you can see, this is our USA bank account, and this is our Euro, and this is our pounds account, and this is our Euro account, and this is our Nigeria account. So now you can control 4 accounts in one app, okay, in one platform. Not just you having a USA bank account, but you're having a Euro bank account, you're having a pounds bank account, and you're also having a Nigeria bank account. Now this is our America bank account. As you can see, we have $0. Now we can deposit funds. We click on this deposit. We are able to deposit money into our account. We can send and we can swap our USSD. So this is what you can do through this Great Pay. So go ahead and click on the link in the description so that you can create create your account. So once you have created your America bank account, now you can come to your PayPal and you can link it with your your PayPal account. As you can see right here, you can link it right here. Okay, link and confirm my debit card. So once you have created your PayPal account, so once you have created your America bank account, you can come here and link your card to your PayPal account. Anytime you get paid through PayPal, you can transfer. Anytime you get paid through PayPal, you can send the money directly to your America bank account and you can have it in your Nigeria bank account ASAP. Check the video in the description to know how you can create a PayPal account that can never be banned, a fully verified business PayPal account that cannot be banned and that cannot be restricted, that can send and receive money in anywhere in the world. You can check the description to see the 2 videos I'm talking about, or you can check the end screen right now to watch any of these 2 videos.